In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quit your Squarespace account in just a few minutes. Whether you're moving to a new platform or simply taking a break from online endeavors, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and efficiently. Let's begin by navigating to the Squarespace website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Squarespace's homepage. The landing page is designed to be intuitive, making it easy to find your way around. Once there, look for the Get Started button, usually displayed prominently on the page. Click on it to proceed. Clicking Get Started will take you directly to the Squarespace dashboard. Here, you'll be greeted with options and settings related to your site management. Your focus should be on the panel to your left, where the Settings option resides. Give that a click, and you'll be navigating closer to account management options. As you explore the Settings menu, find and click on Billing. This will direct you to a subsection where you should see Subscription. It's the place where all the magic of managing or altering your Squarespace subscription happens. Clicking here will reveal the subscriptions you have with Squarespace. Once you've landed on the subscription page, you'll need to identify the specific subscription you wish to cancel. Carefully select the one causing you to bid farewell to Squarespace and prepare to make your move. A delicate but crucial step now awaits you: selecting Cancel Subscription. If you're still within your free trial period, it will appear as Cancel Trial instead. Clicking this option will initiate the cancellation process. Having stopped your subscription, it's crucial to ensure your entire account is handled rigorously. Return to your account dashboard, your central hub on Squarespace. Once there, click on Account Settings. It's crucial to follow through with these actions to ensure your account is fully closed. The final steps are in the Account and Security section. Look for the Delete Account option. Selecting this option will prompt Squarespace to remove your account from their platform entirely. Double-check that you are ready to part ways with your account, as this action is typically irreversible. Confirm your choice, and you'll have successfully completed your mission to quit Squarespace altogether. Remember, while this process is straightforward, it's important to be sure about your decision to cancel and delete your account. Make sure you've backed up any important data or site content you might need in the future. And that's all there is to it. You've reached the conclusion of our tutorial. Thank you for following along, and best of luck with your future endeavors, whether online or offline.